Hey, what's up happy people, and welcome back to Fishing Adventures with Jethro TV. Okay guys, so we are here again at our beloved Corniche, but not for fishing, just to give you an update guys regarding on what is happening now here at our beloved Corniche. Okay, so guys, fishing is still not allowed here at Corniche. Okay, so a few days ago, one of my friends saw the people from the government came here at Corniche and confiscate all the fishing gears that they caught here at Corniche. Okay, so they're just be thankful that just the fishing gears, okay, and they gave them a warning, but they said that next time it would be 2,000 reals guys. So let's just be careful guys, okay? So as you can see now, Corniche is not the same, okay? No more anglers. It's so sad, but what can we do? Like a month ago, this area is full of anglers, okay? Hoping to catch some milkfish, okay? Hey. But now it's very quiet. So guys, ito yung fishing spot natin, di ba? Ni isang angler, wala na kayong makikita dito. Ayan. Napakalinis na ng Corniche, eh. Nakakapanibago. Okay, so if you have any other options or any alternative fishing spots, so better to stay away from Corniche guys. Okay, so if you want some alternative fishing spot, just check on my previous videos. I upload a video regarding on the fishing spot that I've been through here at Qatar. Okay, so if you need anything, if you need some to know some of the fishing spots, just leave your comment below guys, and I will help you. Okay, so that's it. It's better to stay away from Corniche now guys. If you want to come here at Corniche, just go here for a walk or a jog to exercise, but for fishing, no. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy fishing, spread love, and always be happy.